Hey guys, thank you for tuning in and joining me today. My name is Claudicia and this is my YouTube channel. So today's video I want to do a reveal and review of Sassy by Savannah Cosmetics. It is a line that just came out on November 11th, and she has 3 main products right now. She has an eye kit, a lip kit, and a full face palette. So I have today the full face palette, I have the black eye kit, and the Bless Her Heart lip kit. The reason why I want to review her products is because the main thing that stuck out to me when I heard that she was doing this line was the price. Originally I imagined that, okay, she's gonna come out with a full face palette. I thought, okay, it's gonna be $55 to $65. Typically that's what, like, sometimes my eyeshadow palette costs. That's why I have one and I use it for like 2 years. It's really gross. Anywho, so when I heard that she was gonna do a full face palette, the other thing that caught my interest was the fact that I'm not like a contour gal. I don't know how to do that yet, but I do love my highlighters, I do love my blush, my eyeshadows. So when I heard she was gonna have the full face, I thought I gotta try it because it was one of her interviews. I believe it was the podcast, Chrisley Confessions. She was talking about it and she wanted to be able to have like a neutral look to a full glam look all in one palette. And I think she really nailed it, but I'm jumping ahead. So yeah, that's why I wanted to do the review. And like I said, I'm a stay-at-home mom, so I don't have that much time to put into my looks. I know it's an excuse. Womp, womp, womp. You just get busy. So this full face palette, it really does have everything in there. And so far I liked it, just being on the go. Everything's right there. It has a mirror inside of it too. When I heard that it was going to be $22, I thought it's probably going to be cheap. Like maybe the formula isn't going to go on smoothly. It might not be like buildable, I think is the word I'm looking for. So today I will be going over the items that I have. Like I said, I have each of her products just in a different shade or color. Okay, so like I said, her line came out on November 11th, on Veterans Day. And shout out to our veterans. Thank you so much for your sacrifices made. And some of it has already sold out completely. Part of her lip kit sold out. It was a very pretty color, Nashville Nights. The Nashville Nights lip kit, I do believe, is not going to be out until after January, she said. I think I even saw April somewhere. Don't quote me on that. Anywho, she said in one of her interviews that she wanted to be able to have an all-in-one for a neutral, natural look to a full glam. And I believe she nails it. So this is the full face palette. It says Stay Sassy on it. It has 15 eyeshadows, 2 face sculpting powders, so like contours, 2 highlight powders, bronzer type deal. I shouldn't say bronzer, highlight powders. Listen to me trying to whatever. And 2 blush powders. So, fun fact from Chrisley Confessions Podcast. She was supposed to have a photo shoot and Corona hit, so she ended up getting stuck in a hotel and all she had was a Polaroid, and she decided to take the photos herself. They're unedited. I think they're super pretty. She's obviously wearing her makeup in them. And I think she did a really good job. And she said in her interview on the podcast that she was really proud of the photos because she felt really pretty in them. But yeah, so this is the palette. It's clean, it's pretty. It doesn't smell of like weird makeup. I told my husband I was going to talk about that. I think he thought it was weird. But no, it doesn't. Right now, I'm wearing the Cheeky, the Glow Up, and Pretty as a Peach eyeshadow. The names are super cute. They're very like southern, give me some sugar. Hey y'all, that one's so pretty. Yeah, so that's the full face palette. It is only $22. I definitely would purchase the full face palette again if she came out with like other colors, or if she came out with any eyeshadows or eyeshadow kits like that. I definitely would get it again just based off of this. I think they're really pretty. They go on smooth. They stand nicely. I've put it on with eyeshadow primer and it goes great, looks beautiful. And I've also put it on without. Like right now I don't have any foundation or any primer on, and I think it looks alright. Don't judge my makeup ability, just like look at the product. Next we will do the black eye kit. Okay, so she has two eye kits. There's the dark brown eye kit and then the black eye kit. And each eye kit comes with a volumizing mascara, which I have on right now. The volumizing mascara, a precision point liquid eyeliner. I'm not good at that at all, but it's a nice pen. A long wear eye pencil and a pencil sharpener. Here's the packaging. Super cute, very pretty. I was surprised that it came with all of that, and like I said, the eye kit is only $14. I do have to be honest about the mascara. Like I said, I have it on right now. It looks okay, I want to say. But I have a hard time with the brush. I'm sorry, Savannah. Oh, I didn't do it that time. Okay. But it was super thick. So it's a super thick formula, and it's really messy. But the other part that I wasn't a fan of is the brush. It's like I'm just not, the tip here at the end where it just gets all caked up with the mascara, and especially since it's a very thick formula, it gets everywhere. So I find myself that I'm brushing a lot and then it's drying quickly, and it gave me like the tarantula effect. But other than that, it's great. Would I get this again if it was like separately? If the brush was different, if there was like a full brush, probably. I'm not a fan of the tapered style. But the other thing that I had a difficult time with is the Precision Point Liquid Liner. It's beautiful. It's very pretty. Let me see if I can do this again. Oh, I did it! It's really pretty. It goes on smooth. It glides nicely. Watch here. Whoop. It's really pretty. I'm just not good at it with like wing liner. I don't have a steady enough hand. However, it's really pretty. I like it. I don't have it on right now. Wait, do I? No, I didn't put it in right now. But anywho, and the other one that I'm missing is the eye pencil. I took it over to my mom's and I left it there because I wanted to show her, because I know she would love it. But it goes on smooth. I love it. I already said that. It's dark, it's black. It's beautiful. I love it. Would I buy it again? Yes, definitely. So that is the black eye kit. It's falling everywhere. Ta-da! Next, I want to talk about the lip kit. So she sold out of one of the colors, Nashville Nights. I think it was a little bit lighter than this one, than this shade, but it was really pretty, like sheer, shimmery. It was beautiful. But this one that I got is Bless Her Heart. So in the lip kit, you get your lip color, a lip gloss, and a lip liner. And I use the sharpener. Excuse me. I use the sharpener from the eye kit for the pencil. So it's a really pretty packaging, same as the kit. I like the packaging of all of her items. It's clean, it's sleek. Kind of like the less is more. It's pretty, but that's just my opinion. I like the colors. They're pretty. Anywho, so first off, let's do the pencil. The lip liner. Like I said, I've been using it. Embarrassing. Okay. Let me see if I can do it again. Here's the pencil. Oh, I did it. I'm getting so good at this. Okay. I'm gonna be honest. The first time I tried to put it on, it was like I had a razor blade to my lips. Like it was very painful. I had to sharpen it down about 3 or 4 times before it actually started to go on. Like I could see color. Like before I was just putting it on, I was just like, but now, yes, it's pretty. Let me go ahead and, this is a lip color. Don't mind my dry hands. 'Tis the season. Anywho, so yeah, that's the lip color. There you go. It's very like neutral, but anywho, so yeah, the first time I tried putting it on, it was very painful. The more I sharpen it down, the smoother it applies. It's very pretty. Would I get the liner again? Yes, I would. I watched another review on her lip kit, and when she was applying the liner, you could tell it went on a lot smoother than mine. The color popped up immediately, so it might have just been the color. I don't remember what color that gal had, but anyhow, so there's that. The next thing is the Satin Lightweight Lip Color. And it's really pretty. It's very natural. So here's the lip color next to the liner. And this is, like I said, I've been using it. Ew, gross, I know. But it's really pretty. Yeah. I like it. It's natural. Like I said, the formula is very smooth. It's what I imagine a very pretty nude, good quality nude would be. Okay, and lastly, I have the lip gloss, the shimmer lip gloss. It's super embarrassing that I have this. Looks like I have a big bruise. But it just goes to show how well her makeup stays. So here's the lip gloss. I love it. Ooh, see how pretty? It's a great like consistency, I guess, of gloss. It reminds me of the NARS Orgasm. I like that color, but it stays long. It is long lasting, I guess is the word that I'm looking for. I keep saying the word pretty, but a lot of her stuff is pretty. That's the best word that I can use to describe it. Like graceful. Graceful? Can I make it be graceful? I don't know. Anywho, yeah. I definitely would use or purchase the gloss again. The lip kit is, it's only $12. So yeah, definitely worth it. I think these are all really good like stocking stuffer ideas for the lady in your life, or for your sister, for your mom. There's an app on her Instagram. It is Sassy by Savannah, and there you can get to like a filter where you can try on her lip colors. I tried it and it's pretty darn accurate, so I think I'm definitely gonna get another color. Husband, it's on the list. One thing that I would like is a brow kit. That would be awesome. I think she could do a really good brow kit. I think it's a great start that she kept it simple. but still a lot of variety. Like I said in one of her interviews, she said that she wanted it to be able to be fitting for all skin tones, all skin colors. She wanted it to be able to be affordable for everyone versus, like I said, those palettes that are like $55 to $65. She said that she would hear her girlfriends saying like, oh, I wish I could get this, or I wish I could afford that. And she didn't want to be the brand that her own friends were like, oh man, I wish I could have that. So I thought that was really amazing. So that's, like I said, that was one of the main reasons why I wanted to do this review, because of the price. It was only $22 for a full palette. I thought that was pretty nuts. But anywho, so yeah, that's that, I think. Yeah, so overall, I definitely recommend Sassy by Savannah. Go check it out. I'll go ahead and link her website or where you can order, because I think there's a couple places that she has it available. But yeah, definitely give it a try for the price. It's definitely worth it. That liner is holding up really well. So yeah, give it a try, and thank you for watching.